Pinas is started. We have Gio Conti, break quick, later start, Humble Pie, Kimagure, in between horses, then comes Supremo, in between horses, now is Amazon, Sweet Julian, while Mas Masaya is Pinas is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch. We have Kimagure, Gio Conti in second, Amazon is racing in third, Humble Pie is down in fourth, and in fifth comes Supremo, 6 with Julian, while Mas Masaya sa Pinas is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Kimagure, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Gio Conti in second, Amazon, and in fourth is Humble Pie. Then here comes with Julian, now moving up to take fifth, Supremo in sixth, while Mas Masaya sa Pinas is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Kimagure by about 2 lengths. Gio Conti still in second, Amazon, Sweet Julian now in fourth, and as they swing for home, Kimagure by about 2 lengths, and here comes Sweet Julian, then comes Gio Conti, last 100 meters, Kimagure, Sweet Julian now moving upon the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead, and finally Sweet Julian, Kimagure, Gio Conti, Amazon, Humble Pie, Mas Masaya sa Pinas, Supremo.
Alright, number 4, Sweet Julian, crossing the wire first, ridden by Kelvin Betty Abobo, then masih segundo nga, number 5, Kimagure, Gio Conti, then Amazon.